A while ago I've designed this small dev board powered by an RP2040 chip. It's a 4-layer PCB and I made it using KiCad. I also had these switches lying around, which I've gotten cheap on Amazon, so I decided on building a Macropad. They sound great. The first prototype was made using cardboard, these switches and some copper lines. This ended up being quite unstable, but it showcased the design I had in mind. To enhance the build quality, I ordered an additional PCB designed to mount the keys and provide individual grounding for each. The only thing missing now was the case, which I quickly designed in Fusion. After a wait of about 2 weeks, the parts arrived exactly as ordered and with excellent build quality. I had to use the Dremel to expand the USB cutout though. All parts were ordered from JLC PCB at a very low cost. With the switches mounted, the project is really coming together and it starts looking like a Macropad. I had some old keycaps on hand, which I can now install on the switches. To connect the dev board to the switch holder, I cut up some old DuPont cables. I have plenty of them lying around. Soldering these wires to the PCB was a real pain, mostly because my soldering iron decided to stop working. I am gonna spare you by not showing you how I soldered these wires to the dev board. I don't like remembering this process. Finally, I installed the PCBs and wiring into the case. My first idea was to use threaded inserts to hold the switch plate to the case, but because my tolerances were dangling near zero, the fit was already really tight. As this is just a small project, I decided to just use the Arduino toolchain for this project, so the code is pretty simple. This project turned out pretty cool. I'm gonna publish the files for this project on my website. I've adjusted the 3D model to have some tolerance.